Good morning to all of you. How are you all? Are you fine? Now, you see, we are missing you a lot. Okay? And why we are missing? Without you. Yes, really, our life we cannot enjoy. We cannot enjoy with our life. We are so demoralized in the school. We do our corrections. Everything we are doing it. But, what to say? Like, we feel so sorry without seeing you. So I want that if all during this Diwali time we shall enjoy with crackers. Yes or no? Yes. But very careful while using the crackers. And at the same time, we all pray to God that this corona should wash out everything during this Diwali. So we pray to all the Almighty so that like our corona will vanish from our country. Okay. So at the same time, as you know that our Children Day falls on 14th November. So we are really very sorry. Without you, we are just sending you the video. So what has happened with us? You can imagine that our heart is really it is not complete here. Why it is not complete? Without seeing the children, our heart is not getting any enjoyment. Nothing we can do without you all. So happy Children Day once again, and listen to your parents and do your regular studies, and without any disturbance you do your studies, and show to everyone that all the children of our school are really, they are polite, gentle and good, and at the same time these children will show their own talent, isn't it? And at the same thing, see, if you want, you can go ahead with your everything, because future is ahead. So do such a way so that everyone will say to you all, oh yes, really we have studied. Why? Because modern high school, yes, the teachers and the students are very good there. They take care, our teachers, they take individual care and they do their studies. If you do it very nicely, if you ask your teachers, while teachers are explaining to you online, so please you don't remain alone with that all. If you hesitated, you will not understand it. Each and everything you ask your teachers, they are your guide, they are your philosophers. Okay, my dear children, happy Children Day one day ahead. Okay, thank you, God bless.
Good morning, dear children. Just you have heard what your respected principal madam has told you. Simply what I want to tell you, we love you like anything. You are our children. And today is Children's Day. My love, our love, always with you. God bless you. Always be smiling. Get smiling always. And you will get all good things. Always imbibe in you positive thinking, not negative thinking. Positive things will give you extra spirit. And last, trust on God. If you trust on God, you will win. Thank you.
Good morning, children. First of all, happy Children's Day. As you all know that this year pandemic is going on, so we could not celebrate Children's Day physically. But apart from their busy schedule of online and offline classes, our teachers from class preparatory to class 12 has spent little time to show their love and care for you all. And they have presented this in the form of small acts. Hope you all like it. Thank you.
Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. Very good. Sit down. Only so well, students. Only two students. Yes, ma'am. All right, students, are you present? Are you present? I'm not getting your voice. Yes, ma'am. Okay, fine. So, let's students. So, dear students, it's a request to online students. See, we can go everywhere. Yes or no? We are going to temples. We are going to mosques. We are going everywhere.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you all? Ma'am, you are very fine. Very good. I can see you are maintaining the social distance. Why so less students? They are not coming? They are not coming. Kajuri miss, you motivate the students so that they can come to the school.
Yes, students, kindly come to school. Why? Because see, now situation is little bit normal. Yeah, it's normal. So, kindly convince your parents to come to school.
Okay, but I have not come here to say all these things. But today, I want to say today's children day. You know or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will celebrate Children Day today. Okay, Kajuri?
Yes.
Did you hear any news about Children Day today?
Yes, I've heard, you know, for you.
I have seen today Jinsy miss was practicing with you. I have told you.
So very good. Our JC Miss and Rashmi Miss will going to perform a wonderful dance.
Ma'am, after that, I will also want to do.
Yes, very good. Very
So,
good.
are you eager to
Yes,
see their performance?
Yes.
Yes.
So let us enjoy today. Okay, and happy Children Day to you all also and to my online students also.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so
Ma'am,
much. I will also do a recital for it. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
sure.
She has got the prize.
Yeah, very good, very good. And
Thank you,
yes,
ma'am.
one thing I want to say from the core of our heart on behalf of Modern High School Senior Secondary. So we are thanking you that you are our past. Okay, happy Children's Day to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so let's enjoy Rashmi Miss and Jinsy Miss performance. Alright?
Ma'am, shall we go out?
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
in activity room, shall we go?
Yes,
Let us sit there.
please.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Come. She misses. Yes.
ব্রহ্মারে পুত্র তুমি সৃষ্টিরে নামু ব্রহ্মপুত্র নমামি ব্রহ্মপুত্র
Okay, so what a wonderful performance we have seen, right? Rashmi Miss and Jinsy Miss has done, right? So now, yeah, I can recall, I think. Rinki, you got one time you have got National Award for Best Actress, right? Can you do the same? Yes? Can you do the same for us? Alright, yeah. For that act, you
হ্যালো বন্টি কি খবর তোর?
আরে দাদা দাদা ক মোৰ ভাল তই ইমান দিনৰ মূৰত ফোন কৰিলি
এটা কথা আছিলে, এটা নিউজ আছিলে তোৰ কাৰণে, হেপী নিউজ। একচুৱেলি মই ভালেই আছোঁ আৰু মই আহি আছোঁ, সেইটোৱে গুড নিউজ।
অ' মাই গড দাদা তই আহি আছ মই বিশ্বাস কৰিব পৰা নাই দাদা তই সঁচা কচোন কেতিয়া আহিবি তই দেৱালীৰ পিছত ঠিক আছে মই এই খবৰটো মাক দিওঁনে এতিয়া হ'ব দাদা হ'ব মই মাক ক'ব যাওঁ মা মা ক'ত আছ মা শুন বৰ ভাল খবৰ এটা আছে মা জানো দাদাই এইমাত্ৰ ফোন কৰিছে মা আৰু দাদাই কি কৈছে জানো দাদাই কৈছে যে দাদা বোলে দেৱালীৰ পিছত আহিব মা ইমান ভাল লাগিছে জানো মা দাদা বোলে আহিব দেৱালীৰ পিছত আহিব
ঠিক আছে মোৰ এটা কাম আছে মই দাদা আহিব নহয় মই কিবা কিবি বনাই দিম
মা মা দাদাই নাৰিকলৰ লাৰু ভাল পায়
মই সেইবিলাক বনাই
ভণ্টি এটা বেড নিউজ আছিলে
কি ক তই দেখোন কৈছিলি তই আহিবি কি হ'ল তোৰ নহয় দাদা তই এনেকুৱা নকৰিবি জানো মই মাক কৈছোঁ মাৰ বিৰাট ফূৰ্তি তই এনেকুৱা নকৰিবি দাদা তই আহিবি না যেনে তেনে মেনেজ কৰ দাদা দাদা শুনছোন দাদা দাদা শুন দাদা 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 বোলে নাহে এই কথাটো মই মাক কেনেকৈ কওঁ ইমান দিনৰ পৰা মায়ে দাদাক ৰখি আছিলে এটা ফোনো নকৰে আজি ফোন কৰাৰ পিছত জনালে যে সি আহিব নোৱাৰে কথাটো মই মাক কেনেকৈ কওঁ কি কৰোঁ মই মাক কেনেকৈ কওঁ কথাষাৰ কিয় দাদা কিয় তই এনেকুৱা কৰি থাক প্ৰত্যেকবাৰে তোৰ খালি এটাই কথা ব্যস্ত 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 সেই মাজনীয়ে তই দেউতা মৰাৰ পিছত কিমান কষ্টকে তোক পঢ়ালে লিখালে ডাক্তৰ বনালে আৰু তই ডাক্তৰ হোৱাৰ পিছত পাহৰি গলি তই এনেকে পাহৰি গলি তই দাদা মোৰ কথা বাদেই দিছোঁ তই নিজৰ জন্ম দিয়া মাকজনীক পাহৰি গৈছ প্ৰত্যেকবাৰে তই আশা দিয় তই আহিবি আৰু সেই বেচাৰী মাজনীয়ে কেতিয়াবা নাৰিকলৰ লাৰু বনায় কেতিয়াবা পিঠা বনায় তোৰ কাৰণে ৰৈ দিয়ে বৈয়ামত পচি যায়গে তথাপিও পেলাই নিদিয়ে তোৰ কাৰণে দাদা আৰু তই বাৰে নাহো বুলি কওঁ মই আজি এই কথাটো কেনেকৈ কওঁ মাক কেনেকৈ কওঁ তইতো বহুত বেয়া কাম কৰিছ দাদা কিবাকেতো তই আহিব পাৰিলি নাই মই কালি থাকিলে নহ'ব মই মাক ক'বই লাগিব কিন্তু মই কওঁ কেনেকৈ আজি মই ইয়াতে বহি থকা সকলো ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী এটাই কথা ক'ব বিচাৰোঁ সকলোকে যে মাক দেউতাকে পঢ়ায় জানা যাতে তেওঁলোকে নিজৰ জীৱনত কিবা কৰিব পাৰে কিবা ইনকাম কৰি পেলাই চলিব পাৰে কিন্তু যেতিয়া ল'ৰা ছোৱালী ডাঙৰ হৈ যায় ডাঙৰ চাকৰি পায় মোৰ দাদাৰ নিচিনা যেতিয়া ডাঙৰ ডাক্তৰ বনি যায় তাৰপিছত নিজৰ মাক ভনীয়েক দেউতাক সকলোকে পাহৰি যায় মই সকলোকে হাত জোৰি অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ তোমালোকে পঢ়ি শুনি ডাঙৰ মানুহ হোৱা কিন্তু এনেধৰণে নিজৰ মাক দেউতাকক পাহৰি নাযাবা বেড নিউজ কি বেড নিউজ
মই আহিব নোৱাৰিম
Oh dear, that was so nice act. It was a great lesson for all of us. Parents used to sacrifice a lot for us. We should not forget, when we achieve success, we should be together with our parents. Yes or no? Yes. So nicely Rinki has shown.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay, now we will see Rekha's performance.
নমস্কাৰ কবিতাৰ শিৰোনাম কুমকুৰ সাপত ফুট পোৱালি কবি জ্যোতিপ্ৰসাদ আগৰৱালা মা মই সপোনত দেখিলোঁ দুটা ফুটৰি পোৱালি আৰু দুজনী নাক চিলিকা চকু খিলিকা পিলিকা টিলিকা চুখিনী ছোৱালী এটা কোলা এটা বগা ডাঙৰ পিঙত ফুট কথা পাতে তাকোত এটাই ক'লে ফুট 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 ইটোৱে মা তাক চুকাৰি ক'লে থুট থুট মা দেখিবলৈ এনে ভাল ফুট পোৱালীৰ নাচ কিবা কিবি গান গাই ফুচ ফুচ ফাচ এংকৰ বেংকৰ কৰি চাই লয় চখিনি হাতত নচুৱাই চলিত ধৰি চৰ খোৱা চখিনিয়ে নাচে কঁকাল ভাঙি কুটুক কুটুক খুটুক কৰি ফুট পোৱালি জাপ মাৰি শিঙুৰা শিঙুৰিকৈ নাচে ঠেং মা তই যে ফুটে বোলে লৰা ধৰি খাই পুখুৰীলৈ নি বোলে কৰি দুটা পৰ কৰি মূৰটো শিকো পৰ কৰি এহাত বোকাত সোমাই পতা মুখ দেখোন সিহঁত দুটাই একোকে কৰা নাই ভয় কৰা ল'ৰাকে মা ধৰি কিলাই মা মোৰ হ'লে পুতলে ভয় নাই নমস্কাৰ
Good morning, very good morning to all of you. It's a so healthy morning, right?
Yes.
So very few students, I don't know why. It's a COVID. Then those students must come and you are so much dedicated. I really like you. Please have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure. So as you know, November month is going on.
Yes, sir.
Almost winter season. That is the special day, 14th of November. So nice, no? Do you want that I should continue with the maths class?
No, sir. No.
Okay, today let's have some fun and entertainment. I'll be throwing some questions. You like it, right? Okay. Quiz. Fine. Okay, I will throw some questions and those students who are online, आप लोग भी ध्यान दीजिएगा, ठीक है? हाल के सब सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, काहे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है? Network. No. I understand. Some students are very mysterious. Network problem, but they are always online with the Facebook and Twitter.
Sir, do you know what? I have seen Bina Miss yesterday in the market.
No, I have also seen her in Babani Maidan.
She is not coming to school, sir.
And enjoying
Yes, sir.
with her friends and relatives. Not fair.
Yes. So lovely girl. Yes, sir.
No, Bina, it's not fair. Shukla, this is also not fair. In Mali, always you loiter here and there. What is this?
Very good, sir.
Okay, here, but one thing I have noticed here. Her uniform is really, she has maintained the decorum. But sorry, I will not scold you because today is your special day. Okay, from next time we will be very much gentle. Okay?
Sorry, sir. Okay, sir.
No problem. Okay, I will throw one or two questions. Would you like?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. You are going to catch a train.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, first question I will ask. Whoever will answer, just raise your hand first, right? No, first offline, then online. No, offline. Offline. No, as a student, don't make noise. Otherwise, I will move out of the classroom. Okay, very special day, 14th of November, that is 2020. COVID already is just going to pass. We celebrate a special day, that is the Children's Day.
Yes, sir.
किसके जन्मदिन में पालन करते हैं? Yes.
Sir, Jordan, happy birthday.
Oh, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Chhatrapati. Yeah, first Prime Minister of Free India. Well, good. Clap for her. Okay, you will get one chocolate. At present I don't have. I will be giving you the very next day, right? Okay. First question you get 10 points. Good. Online students, alert. I will be throwing questions to you all. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to country capital. You like it? Japan का capital क्या बताइए? What is the capital city of Japan?
Sir, Tokyo.
Are you sure?
America. No. Tokyo.
Tokyo is in in Japan or Australia?
Sir. Japan, sir.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Clap for her. So you will also get chocolate. Or okay, let's see how alert the online students are.
Okay, sir.
All funny students. They never attend their class. Always they bunk. It's not fair. Okay. Now tell me, what is 5 into 8? 5 into 8. Correct. अच्छा बीना दो हॉलीवुड स्टार का नाम बताइए. हॉलीवुड नहीं आता तो बॉलीवुड के बारे में बताइए. 2 पिक्स हीरो का नाम बताइए. हीरो या हीरोइन.
करीना कपूर
हाँ.
and करीना कपूर.
वाह, दोनों भाई है या दोनों बहन है?
बहन.
बड़ी करिश्मा है ना करीना?
करिश्मा.
करीना का हस्बैंड कौन है?
सैफ अली खान.
सैफ अली खान का लड़का का नाम क्या है?
तैमूर अली खान.
तैमूर अली. उसका और 2 बच्चा है. ओके, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. Hope to meet you. Oh, okay. You will be getting on online. I will send SMS. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. Sit down. Oh, today the very less students are here. Today we are supposed to take the offline class, right? Yes. So very less students are there. So we are not going to have our class. Okay? Now we are going to have the online. That is also as today is a special day, right?
Yes.
What day?
Children's Day.
Children's Day. So I will also take other students also through online, and we are going to have a fun. We will enjoy. Okay. Hello students. How are you? Okay. Today we are going to have a fun because today is a special day for you all. It's a Children's Day, right? So we will have a fun today.
went off. So we will do with the online classes. And we know today is the Children's Day. So I have written a short poem for you all. Okay? And I have written a short poem for you all, keeping you all in my thought. Okay? So what my title of the poem is, Children are the future of our nation. As we grow plants with the seed in our garden, so also we must nurture the children in right direction. Chacha Nehru called the children as the future of our nation. The only weapon is the education. Education helps the children to find the various goals. It is the teacher who plays the important role. The Almighty have created them with beautiful sight, so all the children must get the equal right. Children are impartial and pure, let's make their future bright. Each child was sent with a purpose. In this earth, all the children are lovely and precious at their birth. They are the oceans full of talents.
It is an urge to everyone, do not compare the children with anyone. As the sun and moon shines at their own time, let's give them proper shape, it's the molding time. Children are like the flowers of today, which will turn into seed tomorrow. Thus they will be our superhero. Let's nurture them in our school garden. Children are the future of our nation. It is written by me, so I hope you will like it. Thank you.
Every year on 14th of November, we celebrate Children's Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. Throughout the India, we celebrate Children's Day. There are different types of speech, different types of activities, different types of functions, motivational speech are prepared by the students as well as by the teachers. But in this pandemic situation, we could not able to do all those activities freely, but due to the advent of science and technology, this pandemic situation could not restrict us. Thus, from the month of April, we are in contact with the students through online classes, and also we are performing different types of co-curricular activities so that students will be in contact with us and at least they will get some proper guidance. Similarly, today, that is on Children's Day, the teachers, the students may not be in the direct contact, but through online, the teachers will perform different types of functions, different types of activities, and we could enjoy this day with the students. Because children must be always properly cared, properly nurtured, because the children of today will represent India tomorrow. That's all. Thank you all the students.